Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I stopped in at the Dollar Tree yesterday and saw a few things that parents might be missing for back to school. So I got a few ideas for you. Please leave any questions and comments below. Let me know how I'm doing, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get going. So here's one of those things I think parents might have missed at the Dollar Tree: socks for the kids going back to school. So guess what? They got all kind of socks. You need socks? They got them in a pair of 3 for $1. Okay? They got single pairs, but mostly they have a lot of 3 to a pack. So you need socks for the kids doing sports. They're your white socks right there. Okay? You need them? The Dollar Tree's got them. Check it out. Okay, so what's the next thing we're missing at the Dollar Tree? I think it's gonna be the hair accessories. Okay, so look at these. A pack of 5 headbands, 6 headbands, a variety of colors. Okay, these elastic bands. There's some with 10 in a pack, some with 36 in a pack, different colors. Okay, don't be missing out on this at the Dollar Tree, ladies. Okay, get those girls' hair accessories now. Don't look back. Look at the headbands. Okay, we got all kind of clips. We got the fabric elastic bands. And look at that. That hair clip right there, I bought one half the size of that about a month ago when I was in Orlando. And that thing cost me like $5.49. I was there and I needed one. So I had to pay $5.49 for one. I don't think that Walmart nor Target has this many options in their hair accessory aisle. This is a lot of hair accessories. Hey, here's something I saw you might want to get your boys that are involved in sports after school. Some of these wipes, something just to clean up with until they get home. I just thought it was a great deal. Big pack of these. Hey, $1. Hey, here's another thing I saw, the Cupcake Carrier. 2-piece set, the top and the bottom. It holds 9 cupcakes, so in case you parents take anything to your kids' school, this might be the ideal thing for you, so check it out. Okay, have you got your sandwich bag storage? Okay, you need to get your bags right now. Glass got as little as 22 at the Dollar Tree, as many as 40 or 45. Stock up on the sandwich bags. Just an idea you might have forgotten. Okay, have you gotten your storage containers? They've got every size of storage container there is at the Dollar Tree. Okay, the snack station. They've got crackers and cookies for snacks. I believe there's 8 packs of 4 in a serving here. So you can take out one little 4-pack, throw it in your kid's bag, wham bam, thank you ma'am. Just an idea. Okay, I saw these sit back and relax travel mugs. I thought these would be perfect for you mama bears and papa bears dropping your kids off in the morning. Get you a drink and head on out the door. So a little something for the parents. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, thanks for watching my video, and please leave any questions or comments below. Let me know how I'm doing, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.